133 species in genus Andropogon. Andropogon, a deep dive with Ferb Vu. The world of grasses is vast and often overlooked. But for me, Ferb Vu, there's a particular genus that holds a special fascination, Andropogon. These plants, commonly known as beard grass or bluestem grass, are widespread across the globe, painting landscapes with their distinctive textures and hues. From the savannas of Africa to the prairies of North America, Andropogon species have woven themselves into the fabric of diverse ecosystems. Join me as we explore this captivating genus, delving into its characteristics, its ecological significance, and the sheer beauty of its various forms. Understanding the Andropogon genus. Andropogon belongs to the Poaceae family, a massive group encompassing all true grasses. What sets Andropogon apart are its unique flowering structures. These grasses produce spikelets, which are the basic units of a grass flower. In Andropogon, these spikelets are arranged in pairs, with one spikelet being fertile and the other sterile. This distinctive arrangement, along with the often hairy appearance of the spikelets, gives the genus its common name, beard grass. But the appeal of Andropogon extends beyond its botanical intricacies. These grasses are vital components of many ecosystems, providing food and shelter for a variety of wildlife. Their deep roots help stabilize soil, preventing erosion and promoting water infiltration. And let's not forget their aesthetic value. The graceful, arching stems and feathery inflorescences of Andropogon add a touch of wild elegance to any landscape. A diverse family, Andropogon species. The Andropogon genus boasts a remarkable diversity, with over 100 recognized species. Each species possesses its own unique set of characteristics, adapting to thrive in specific environments. See full list at monsterholic.com. The importance of Andropogon. Beyond their ecological roles, Andropogon grasses have also played a significant role in human history. Many cultures have utilized these grasses for a variety of purposes. Forage. Several Andropogon species are valuable forage crops, providing nutritious grazing for livestock. Erosion control. Their extensive root systems make them excellent for stabilizing soil and preventing erosion. Ornamental grasses. Many species are cultivated for their ornamental value, adding texture and movement to gardens and landscapes. Traditional uses. Some cultures have used Andropogon for thatching roofs, making baskets, and even for medicinal purposes. As we continue to face environmental challenges, the importance of Andropogon becomes even more apparent. These resilient grasses can help restore degraded lands, provide sustainable forage for livestock, and even contribute to carbon sequestration. Looking ahead, my fascination with Andropogon continues to grow. I'm eager to learn more about the individual species, their unique adaptations, and their potential for ecological restoration. I believe that by understanding and appreciating these remarkable grasses, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world and work towards a more sustainable future. The journey through the world of Andropogon is an ongoing one, full of discovery and wonder. I invite you to join me in exploring the beauty and complexity of this fascinating genus.